stop along the way, and we pulled off, and then we came across this. Was I in the wrong? What would you guys have done?
Can you see me?
Güey, pues no se fija.
Damn, should we pass by? I think we should pass by so we can watch the car. Yeah. The crash literally just happened. Oh my god. No freaking way.
Oh
Wow.
the car is in the actual like.
Oh.
I got Damn. Does he not know he can't park there?
I hope everybody's okay.
He can't park there.
Wow.
Damn.
Wow. Did they call? Wow.
Yeah, my vehicle was just hit. X-ray 62. I got somebody to go back to my other vehicle. Open the door. Open the door. Turn the car off. Get out. Get out. Do you have any weapons on you? Put your phone down.
No,
Do you realize you just hit my vehicle?
I realize that, bro.
Face the car. You just fled from a freaking traffic crash.
I'm free, bro.
Yeah, you did.
The other day, he better watch his ass because he could be next.
After Nicholas Ouster, he could be next to be ousted.
That's right. At just that moment, J.D. Vance came in and settled in next to Marco Rubio. Now, the conversation itself was off the record, but it turned out that some of our colleagues down in Colombia had just sat
Hell yeah, get his ass. Come on. Get his ass.